Hello. Do you have enough money to last you the rest of your life? If your answer is no, join me. Hello. Welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. On this channel, we talk about changing our lives by taking one step at a time. You could take one backwards, but you keep going again. Then you take two or three. If you are new, welcome. My videos are about business tips, earning money online, affiliate marketing mostly, and I also record videos just to motivate you to take a step to make your life better. My name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner in Virginia, USA. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for coming back. Keep coming and share my messages and click on the red button to subscribe. Also, there's a bell on the right. Click on it so that you know when I upload a new video, you get notified. I've been recording once a week. I may add in another one more, do twice a week. You'll see. Please subscribe, you get notified. I also started a new Facebook group. Now we are like I just did a live earlier this morning when I'm recording this video. So I'm very active, I'm passionate, and today I have to apologize before I even start talking about the topic because I may offend some people. You may see me as saying that I know everything I'm talking about. Please, if you feel like that, I apologize. But just from experience, I have a little knowledge of what I'm going to talk about. And I'm asking you a question. Do you have enough money to last you the rest of your life? If you don't, who are you planning to depend on? And for those who are younger, I'll talk to you like a parent if you are like young, or a brother or a sister if you are almost my age. I'm 52. Soon I'll be 53. I've lived some life, more than half already. If I'm going to live to 100, I don't know. So I'm talking you from experience. By the way, I'm feeling very, very sad today. And I got this idea of the video, what I'm talking about last night, because I found myself feeling very sad. You know, if you heard my story, I tell my story. I wasn't online before. I just came online not even a year ago. And the time I've spent, I've seen a little bit of how people behave, and especially the younger generation, because they are not focused. If you are younger and you're not focused, please listen to me. You need to focus. Like the times change. Like what you are going now, as I'm talking to you, we have the coronavirus, the COVID-19. We are all locked in our homes. Things change. We don't know how we're going to get out. We don't know if we'll have the same jobs we had before. We don't know what's going to happen to the economy. So please, where you are, they say when something bad happens, however bad it may be, there's something good. Right now, what's good is the internet. That's my opinion. Because we are very, very busy on the internet. We're not going out to work, but we are inside and we are working because, lucky enough, the internet is available. So how are you using that internet? Or how are you using the time you have to do something you didn't have time to do before? When I'm online, people, because I promote affiliate marketing, I'm an affiliate marketer, so I'm chatting with people. When I post something, they are asking me. You're chatting with someone, they just ask you a question, they disappear. Or you send them an email with important information, they open it, they don't even read through it, they are gone. What's that? So how is your life going to change if you don't focus on changing it yourself? In my opening, I asked a question. Do you have enough money to last you the rest of your life? If you don't, who is going to take care of you? Now, we are going through the coronavirus. I'm in USA, And the government promised us, the taxpayers, maybe some who are not paying taxes, but mostly I'm going to talk about the taxpayers, $1,200. Okay, $1,200. So if in my regular life I need like $5,000 every month, so if I get 1,200, I'm even lucky if I get that. I haven't received any yet. But if I got that, maybe it will be for food. So how long will it last me? The government is generous, it's helping out people, but it's not enough because we don't know when this is going to end. So my question to you, by the way, you may be saying, I have a lot of money in the bank. We had a recession here. Was it 2018? And what I saw, I'll never forget. People were lining up to get the money out of the banks. And they interviewed one gentleman. A news person asked him, why are you here? And he said, I have to get my money out because the bank insures only $100,000. The federal government insures only $100,000. And he said he had $250,000 in his account. So he had to get it out or he'll lose it because banks were closing. Now, you may have your millions in the bank, but it's not guaranteed. Maybe you're going to come and put it at home, but if something happens, my point is, life is never guaranteed. You cannot guarantee anything. So what we can do is use what we have right now. We have some time. Maybe you are healthy. I've been invited. Let me tell you a story. I recorded a video. You know, I'm always having stories. Let me first mention my dad in this situation. Because, remember I said I'm 52? And I said I've seen my share of people losing things. One of them was my father. Because I'm originally from Uganda, I've been mentioning. And in 1978 and 79, we had a bad war to remove Idi Amin from Uganda, from being the president of Uganda. And people lost everything. You know, the buildings were all falling down, flat. I'm originally from Masaka. For those of you watching me and you're from Uganda, originally from Masaka, the whole city was bombed down. And one of the places was my father's business. He lost everything. After that, he died a broken, sad man. And although he used to be a sheikh, like in the religious side, but he was also a business person. I watched him, and now when I think about it, he used to just think and just pray and do that, but he was a sad man because he was okay before. My point is this: you never know where everything is going. You may have the money today, you may not have it tomorrow. I talked about my story, how I used to be middle class and all that, and everything changed. I have, by the way, that link below this video. I'll put it again if you want to hear my story of losing money also. So please, not losing money, but not having an income for like a year. So please, when let me tell you the other story why I went to mention my dad, but I wanted to mention something else. That I recorded a video 3 weeks ago, and I said, we need more money, you need more money, I need more money. It got a very, very high response. Right now, before I came to record this one, I had about 6,000 views in like 3 weeks. For my small channel, that's a large number. That means 6,000 people have seen this video. And they responded really well. They did what I asked them to do, to go. At least they went to see the video that I'm talking about. And at least 100 of them put their email to watch. But guess what? Only about 15 people really did what I asked to do. Because I asked them, please communicate with me. Let's figure out how to get you started to learn affiliate marketing and see. Either you can become a virtual assistant and learn, become a virtual assistant, then you can, other people can employ you, you earn money that way, or you can start your own affiliate marketing business. Only 15 people responded. To that level of communicating with me. Can you imagine? If 6,000 people at least go to the video, 100 of them, at least 100, more than 100, because 100 put in their email, but that means maybe like 500 reach the page and refuse to put in the email. That's their choice. But my point is only 15 came through to say, I need the help, or I want to start, or something like that. A small, small percentage. Now you tell me all those people who didn't, you know what they say? It's a scam. How can a young person make $1 million? Yes, young people are making millions. But what he's saying, Anthony, that he made millions cannot be true. If you want to know that this young man is making millions, you need to go to a company called ClickFunnels and see how many awards he gets every year for those millions that he's making. It's real. He's offering to teach you for just $7 a month, and you're refusing to come learn. At least check it out. But you can't even do that. My word is, please focus on your life. Use this moment. It's just like 2 hours a day or even less. People who have started are telling me it's not even 2 hours, it's less to do a session a day. And learn, just go see what it's all about. You don't even have to get into the making the money, but at least know what's available out there. And for those people who you're watching me and who have younger children, like teenagers, this is perfect for them. They'll love it because the knowledge they'll get, they'll use it and you'll be surprised. And later, some of them could be in YouTube too. Being in YouTube is cool for the young people. But if someone shows them how to use it. Okay. I hope I didn't make you mad. I went on and on. Okay, now, please, Jim Rohn says that sometimes a feeling makes you do something. Like a feeling of disgust. You say, I'm disgusted, I'm mad. You say, I'm not doing this anymore. He gives a story of, he gives you an example of how you could get mad. You could say, you go in the closet and you rip up everything that you don't like anymore, all the things you say, I'm tired of dressing like this, and no one else is going to dress like this anymore. You rip it up and you go figure out how to make your life better. So he says, like you watching me, maybe today you're going to say, you know what? She's right. I don't have enough money to take care of myself. Or what I have, I could lose tomorrow. I don't know. Or if you have it, I keep it forever. Give it to other people. Just share it. Just give it to charity. But please, let's come make the money. And the money is actually the right word. You have to put an effort. So I'm inviting you again. If you're watching me, if you don't need this, send it to someone. Share this video with someone else. It's international. Send it. I'm here to help them. I'm here to connect. By the way, one person came forward and said they are willing to help someone who doesn't have $7. So contact me, please. A link below. I'll put a link below. You can 2 links. One is going to be my story. If you want to know my story, why I'm so passionate about this, I have tears in my eyes. And another one is going to take you to a page where you put your email and watch Anthony's video. And then that once you put your email, you get an email from me. And that email has a connection to my new, I'm proud of it, Facebook group, Calm. I'll help you. We'll help out each other. Let's learn. Let's get these skills. Let's get your life to the next level. It's about earning some money. Okay. That's my video today. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Share it. Please subscribe. That's how you know what I'm doing. I'm about to bring in more and more videos. And you see, I'm sad. Please do something about this. If you don't do it for yourself, do it for someone else. People don't have food in this coronavirus. People are begging. How you are going to beg until when? Please come, let's make a difference. Like I always end them, take good care of yourself. Take good care of your family. Take very good care of your health. Keep distancing. Take a step to a better you. Bye-bye.